Are you wondering how to share a video using CrankWheel? Stick around for this quick guide, and we'll break it down step by step so you can start sharing your screen with ease and even interact with your audience in real time. First off, CrankWheel is a great tool for sharing your screen or videos with anyone instantly without needing them to install anything. You just send them a link and they're good to go. And if you're looking to try CrankWheel for free, check the first link below, where we've got an exclusive bonus just for you. Now, let's dive into how to share a video using CrankWheel. The first thing you need to do is log into your CrankWheel account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is simple and quick. You'll be able to get started immediately. Once you're in, look for the Share Screen button. This is where the magic happens. Click that and you'll be prompted to select what you want to share, your entire screen, a specific window, or even just a browser tab. Next, after you've selected the video or content you want to share, CrankWheel will generate a unique link. You can copy this link and send it directly to the person or group you want to share with. Just paste it in an email, message, or however you prefer to communicate. The beauty of CrankWheel is that the person on the other side doesn't need to sign up or install anything. They simply click the link and start watching instantly. The third thing is making sure the video you're sharing is clear and smooth. You can adjust your screen sharing settings to ensure your audience gets the best viewing experience. If you're sharing a video from a browser, make sure you're in full screen mode so your viewers don't get distracted by other tabs or notifications popping up. Now, if you want to share more interactive content, like videos where you need to draw on or highlight certain things, CrankWheel offers annotation tools. With these, you can draw directly on the video or screen you're sharing to emphasize key points, making your video much more engaging. The next thing to consider is how to monitor your audience. With CrankWheel, you can see how many viewers are connected, and you can even chat with them in real time. This means you can get immediate feedback, answer questions, or adjust your presentation as needed. Finally, when you're done sharing the video, simply hit the End Session button, and that's it. Your screen sharing session ends instantly, and the link you sent will no longer work. It's a smooth process that keeps everything secure and controlled. To recap, sharing a video using CrankWheel is fast, easy, and doesn't require your viewers to do anything complicated. You sign in, share your screen or video with a link, and watch as your audience engages with the content. Plus, don't forget, you can try CrankWheel for free using the link in the description below, with an exclusive bonus that extends your free trial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the first link for that bonus and try CrankWheel for yourself.